Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving into Montego Bay. We are driving along what is known as the Elegant Corridor, and that is the Rose Hall Great House that on the left. So this area recently had a lot of street lights that were out. So the government signed an agreement with JPS to fix these street lights. Now, I always thought that JPS was responsible for these streetlights. But according to the article, and we're going to go through it in a bit, let me read that section to you. Because I always thought JPS owned the streetlights. The signing of the contract between the two entities will allow the government of Jamaica to contract the JPS to upgrade the requisite corridors. And this is in terms of the streetlights. Following completion of upgrades, the government of Jamaica will inspect and subsequently hand over full responsibility to the JPS. Alright, so this is a very important corridor because the busiest section of the Northern Coastal Highway is between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios. So this section of the road is the section that takes you out of Montego Bay towards Ocho Rios. And there are also a lot of hotels on this corridor. So it's good that they are working on fixing the street lights. Alright, so we're going to go through the article and then we discuss it. The National Works Agency recently formalized an agreement with the Jamaica Public Service Company for the commencement of works along the Elegant Corridor in St. James. The work to be executed in the area is aimed at rehabilitating lighting infrastructure. Sections of the corridor from the Lilliput Main Road to the roundabout at the Sangster International Airport have been without sufficient lighting for several months. This is due in part to damage resulting from motor vehicles colliding with some of the utility poles in the area. Acting Manager Communication and Customer Services at the NWA, Stacey Ann Delavante, explains that under the agreement a number of other areas will also be targeted for rehabilitation. These include in the corporate area, Ligoni to Musgrave Road, Harborview East Environs, Dunrobin to Malines Road, Michael Manley Boulevard, among others, which also have issues with insufficient lighting. The signing of the contract between the two entities will allow the Government of Jamaica to contract the JPS to upgrade the requisite corridors. Following completion of upgrades, the Government of Jamaica will inspect and subsequently hand over full responsibility to the JPS. Alright, so as you can see, there are a lot of street lights on this road. There you see them in the middle, in the median. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about, but it's a good thing that these street lights are being fixed. And in this section and the other sections that they mentioned in the article. So if anybody knows who owns these street lights, let us know. I always thought it was JPS, but based on what they're saying, it sounds like it's the government of Jamaica. Or maybe I mixed it up. Maybe it's the light poles that are owned by JPS. So guys, leave your comments in the section below and let us know what you think of this understanding of the street lights. Alright guys, thanks for taking a tour. Enjoy the rest of the video. We are actually driving from Lilliput towards the roundabout at the Sangster International Airport. And as you can see, a lot of street lights, which is very good. They are actually installing lights like this along the new highway, the Southern Coastal Highway between Harborview and Albion. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below.